Hey guys, it's your girl Ella, and in this video I'm going to take you through the perfect upper body workout. And I know that training your upper body isn't as hyped up as training lower body, but I need you to know the importance of why. First, it is to build upper body strength so that we could carry heavy grocery bags. It's for healthy joints, good posture to prevent injuries, and most importantly, it will help significantly with your lower body lifts. When I started weight training, I was so worried that I was going to get big and bulky. But ladies, you will not turn into the Hulk overnight. We just don't have the same hormonal profile like men to get jacked overnight. So ladies, don't neglect training your upper body. The upper body that I will be taking you through today is taken out of my 8-week shred and tone guide that has helped hundreds of women globally transform their physique. So this workout will be focusing on a push and pull. And how I typically structure the workout is that at the beginning of the workout, you will see the big movements. That is because throughout the workout, your energy depletes. In the middle of the workout, you'll see exercises such as your single arm as well as supersets. And then towards the end, you're looking at exercises like your finishers, isolation work, and working on smaller muscle groups. Before we jump into the workout, let's warm up. The first exercise that we'll be doing is a dumbbell incline chest press. So with the chest press, this is just what works for me and my clients. We initially want to pull your shoulders down and back, and I'm going to show you what that looks like at the back. So when you pull your shoulders down and back, that is what it looks like. And then on the side, you will create a natural arch, and that is so normal because we want to make sure that your shoulders are locked into position to press the dumbbell up as safely as possible. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. Grabbing onto the dumbbell, rest the dumbbells on your thighs, and then you're going to spring it up. That's a tip for you. So you're going to spring it up like so. And as I've mentioned, pulling those shoulders down and back to create that small arch. We're not doing an excessive arch. We're not doing that. Small arch here. And then we're gonna come down in a controlled manner. 3, 2, 1, hold here, and then push back up. As you're coming down in a controlled manner, your core is tight. Pro tip for you guys here is to squeeze your glutes as you push up for stability. So add these tips to when you do your incline chest press. We're gonna get started with the actual set. Alright guys, so the next exercise is the seated row. With this exercise, we are going to be using a long bar as opposed to having a V bar. The reason being is that we're able to get more range of motion, targeting all of those back muscles. So with this one, grabbing onto the bar, the most common mistake that I see people make is that when they pull back, this is what it looks like. The shoulders come up. That is going to put a lot of tension on your neck, and that's not a good thing. We want to make sure that your shoulders are down and back, just like the incline press that we did in the first exercise. So this is what we want to do. Grabbing onto the barbell, pull those shoulders down and back so your chest is open. And what you're going to do is you're going to pull in and hold for a good second. You're squeezing all of those back muscles together and controlling it out in 3, 2, 1. Do not drop your shoulders. We're going to keep the shoulders down and back, in and control out. A pro tip here is rather than using your hands to come in, you're gonna use your elbows, coming straight in and holding it here for a good 2 seconds and controlling it out. We're gonna go for 10 more reps, guys. Let's go. Straight in, squeeze for a good 2 seconds. 3, 2, 1, back out, keeping that core nice and tight. Back in, strong squeeze and control. Everything's about the control, guys. Squeeze. Whew. 2 more. Strong squeeze, control. All right, last one. I'm gonna hold, pull all those back muscles together and control out. Let me know how you guys go. Make sure you have that control and you will feel the burn in your upper back. One of the most effective exercises to work on your shoulder mobility are the Arnold's shoulder press. Guys, I can't emphasize how important it is to work on your single arm, because I could guarantee you that one side is weaker than the other. For me, it is my left side. Let me know which side it is for you. When we start with this exercise, make sure the bench is seated upright so that your back could rest against the bench. Starting off with this exercise, you want to have your palms facing you, keeping your core tight, engaging your core as well as squeezing your glutes. We're going to push up and we're going to control it down in 3, 2, 1, back into the starting position, straight back up. Pro tip for you guys here is to keep your elbows soft, not locked out. Soft, this way we're keeping that constant tension on your shoulders. Let's get into it, guys. One of my most favorite exercise is the single arm high to low lat pull. First, you want to find a bench a little bit far out from the cables to give you that diagonal pull. So grabbing onto the handles, you already want to pull it away from you to keep that tension. Over here, first step is to pull your shoulders down and back, like so, keeping that core engaged. What you want to do is you pull your elbows in, strong squeeze at the bottom position and controlling it back out. We're not dropping it, we're keeping that tension without rolling your shoulders forward. Keeping that chest up, pull in and control out. A pro tip for you guys here is that as you pull in, you want to crunch at the bottom here to really squeeze your lats and then controlling it out. All right, let's go, guys. Strong squeeze, control. One more. One more.
For 10.
Oh, give this a go, guys. I know you are gonna love it. You're gonna feel that burn. Oh, let me know how you go. Girls, well-defined shoulders will enhance your hourglass body, and there's no better exercise than the dumbbell lateral raise. The exercise is pretty straightforward, but I'm going to share with you 2 game-changing tips that is going to help you feel a lot more through your shoulders. So with this exercise, as always, we want to make sure your core is engaged, and you want to come up with your elbows as opposed to your hands. Elbows as opposed to your hands. And you also want to make sure your wrist is flat. So coming up and controlling it down. Up and controlling it down. So let's pump out these reps. To finish off the workout, we'll be doing a superset, and that basically means to do 2 exercises in the lot. We are going to be working on our biceps as well as triceps. So first one is the dumbbell bicep curl, pretty straightforward. As always, we want to keep the core nice and engaged, keeping your hands facing out, coming in and controlling it down. Tip for you guys is we don't want to fully extend. We want to keep it soft to keep that tension in your biceps and control. Last one. All right, we're going to drop that down. And then we're going to come down and do our tricep push downs, keeping your elbows close because we're working on the triceps. If you can do it on your toes, that's great. We're going to come down and push back up. If that's too hard, you could drop down on your knees, keeping your hips locked out. And again, coming down. You got this, guys. Now, if that gets too challenging, you could bring your knees forward and then coming down, squeezing the triceps and up. I'm gonna actually finish off with my hips locked out. All right, 5 more. One more. Ooh. Guys, my triceps are burning. Give this superset a go. Let me know how you go. You will set your triceps on fire. Okay, I think I am done. What a workout. So that is it, guys. The perfect upper body that all of you can do. Click the link in the description box for free, helpful resources and including today's workout. I hope that you find everything that I've shared in this video easy for you to follow along with, because my aim is to make fitness simple. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one. Bye.